Making caramel frappé. Creating a delicious caramel frappé is a rewarding endeavor. You will need a few key ingredients to achieve that perfect texture and flavor. Begin by gathering your chosen coffee base and sweetening agents. A good blender is essential for achieving a smooth, icy consistency. Carefully combine your ingredients, ensuring everything is well measured. The process of blending should be thorough, transforming the mixture into a delightful beverage. Finally, a generous swirl of caramel on top will elevate your creation. Enjoying your homemade caramel frappé is the perfect way to conclude this sweet process. Making caramel frappé. Certainly, crafting a delightful caramel frappé can be a rewarding experience. It involves a careful blending of ingredients to achieve the perfect creamy consistency. The sweet notes of caramel are central to its appealing flavor profile. Ensuring the right balance of ice creates that refreshing, frozen texture. A touch of sweetness can be adjusted to individual preferences. The addition of whipped cream on top provides a final, indulgent flourish. This beverage offers a wonderfully sweet and cooling treat. It's a delightful way to enjoy a moment of pure pleasure.